Okay, so Power BI, again, is a cloud-based tool, so I'm going to sign into this. Okay, and what you can see here, this is the public preview. There is a fee for this, and we're going to talk about that in a second, but I just want to show you high level what this looks like. So the first thing you're going to do in a Power BI session is you're going to add a data set. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab the data set that we worked on earlier today. University, and this is the one. Actually, let me. No, it's actually I should. I didn't. Let me make sure I save that because I don't think I saved it last time. Let me save that. Okay. I almost tripped myself there. Okay, we'll grab that, and we're going to connect it. Now, what it's doing is it's uploading it to the cloud. Usually, it just takes a second for this to populate. Okay, so we created it right. This is what we've created. And now what we're going to do is we're going to start creating our own dashboards for this thing. And this is going to feel very familiar. It's going to feel very much like using Power Pivot. So I'm going to do this a little bit quickly because we've already gone through some of this. But we're going to choose profit. And then I'm going to keep it pretty simple here. We'll choose, we'll stick with that concept of gender. I thought that was kind of cool, right? And then we'll add another one here. We'll use, again, profit. Come on, baby. And we'll grab it by, let's grab it by year, fiscal year. And you could get more sophisticated. I'm just trying to demonstrate a point here. And then we'll do one more here. We'll use the national sales rep as well. So national rep, and then we'll also choose that sales amount as well. Okay. All right, and then we're going to save all this information. We're going to create a report called AdventureWorks. Okay, so now we've created a report on our cloud. Now what I want to do is create a dashboard. So you can select all the charts that you want and then pin them to your dashboard. You can see here we can actually get kind of sophisticated about how we want the data to look. And just for fun, why don't we change some of these so they make more sense? Maybe we'll make this into a pie chart. And we'll pin this one as well. And maybe we'll change this one just to make it look a little different. We'll make this into a line chart, for example. Even though it doesn't look really great, I mean, you get the point. There's a lot of stuff that's available out there. I'm going to go ahead and save this. And then if we go back to our dashboard, our main dashboard here, we're going to see what did I put them here? Oh, I don't see them for some reason. Oh, let me I'll create a new dashboard. Here they are. But let me create it as a dashboard. I didn't save it. I'm going to create a new dashboard called Mel's Dashboard. Okay. And then I'm going to go to my report. I'm going to go ahead and link all these back up. So I'm going to pin this. I'm going to pin this one, and I'm going to pin this one as well. Okay, now let's go to Mel's dashboard. Oh, it's not, for some reason it's not saving it to the dashboard. I wonder, I'm not sure why. Let's see here, bear with me 1 second here. Should be pinning it to the dashboard. Pin to dashboard file. Unless it's pinning it to a different dashboard that I intended to. Let's see here. Oh, here it is. It's pinning it to the wrong one. That's okay. Just in the interest of time, I'm not going to worry about it. So here's the one we just created by gender. You pin it to the dashboard. And if we wanted to share this with a user, I'm going to share this with myself. I would get an email here shortly that would show this dashboard. Okay, so this is just a start. Let's do one other thing here. Another cool thing about Power BI is it allows you to do question and answer automatically. So here's the email that just popped up. Let's just take a look at that real quick. So in terms of being collaborative, this is how you be collaborative. You know, you built this nice Power Pivot demo, and then you can email this to somebody, and then they can get in, log in directly into it, and take a look at what you've done. So this is about as collaborative as it gets. So you can imagine how you could build something and be able to share this with your customers, or be able to share this with your customers how they can do this themselves. It'd be pretty cool. Okay, and now let's do one more other really key function that you don't have as part of Power Pivot, is this ability to do query and answer. So let's say, give me sales, what is the profit by national rep? You can see what it's doing here is it's kind of intelligently helping you make selections on what data is available. So let's pick Australia. Must be picking stuff that doesn't. There we go. Let's just. I don't want to get too clever here. We'll just keep it high level right now. Because what it does is it's going out there and actually seeing the data. So this created a nice little chart for you automatically. We can change this a little bit. You know, profit by year in a bar chart. Okay, so there's profit by year in a bar chart. We can pin that right now, and that becomes part of your dashboard. So pretty powerful stuff that you can actually, just using natural language, actually come up with, and the users can write their own queries without having an incredible amount of insight into what's in the database. They just know that the system's smart enough to teach the users how to use the database.